So Mike's off down here somewhere making a trail. So we're gonna go see what he's doing. Oh, anybody that knows me knows that all I wanted to do was grow elderberries. And we were surprised to find there's already an established bush growing me lots and lots of berries.
Berries! Lots and lots of berries.
What are you doing?
Cutting trees down.
Yeah?
Because I got the four-wheeler backed into a corner.
Oh, okay.
Trying to trailblaze like us, 20, you know.
So can you get out?
What?
Oof. Can you get out?
Couldn't get it out.
So, what do we do?
I cut the trees down. So now I got a way out.
Oh, now, okay, no, I asked that.
Oh, I thought you said, oh, you couldn't get out.
Oh, no.
That's right. You couldn't get out.
I saw another snake right by the house.
Good. Keep all the mice down.
We've only seen one, though.
A mouse?
Yeah. Well, a dead one. Isn't this just so... I mean, hey, it's forest, but this is ours. This was blessed to Mike and I. And, oh, I'm in heaven. I can't say anything else other than it's so beautiful. It's so picturesque. On one side, on the east side of our property, we have mainly maples and the odd kind of other tree, some ironwoods, but yeah, maybe some poplar. But on the left, so the west side of the property, we have all the pines and things like that. So I love like the maple and this kind of forest, and I love that kind of forest too, but my favorite is this one. Oh. What he's doing exactly. We're supposed to be building a chicken coop today, but I guess he's trying to make some trails. Get a better shot of my elderberries. We'll have to make sure we get out here before the bugs come, but oh look. Just look at them. I can't wait to harvest them. Look at them all. There's so many. So
I had pulled half the brush pile over to where we have all the other brush.
yeah.
And pulled it in as deep as I could going down the hill. So when I unloaded, I went down the hill to try and get through because it looked like there was a trail there before.
Right.
But it had overgrown for a couple of years, so the trees were just a little too big to just mow down with this thing.
Ah.
And trying to backtrack through and come around, I got put in a little corner because everything's overgrown.
Right.
So now I've cleared a little path. Now I can get through.
Nice. So what are we working on today? I kind of already said a couple different things, but
Okay. So right now I'm just doing the prep work because I want to get this cleared out.
yeah.
Bring the picnic table back here
Okay.
because it's got all the wood on it, all
Right.
the lumber. And that'll give me a workstation. It'll also bring back all my supplies. And we'll get to work on this and try and finish up the chicken coop today.
Well,
To do that, I need to clean this out.
so we can go pick up chicks soon?
Yes.
Ready laying chicks? Like they're not baby chicks. We're too new for that, so.
Yes. So we'll go pick up laying hens as soon as possible. But we got to get this in. Then I can get some 1x2s or whatever and build in a structure around here. So we'll fence it all in with the, what's that called? Grass, no, not grass.
Hardware cloth.
Hardware cloth, yeah. So we'll get that all fenced in.
The bugs are real today.
I know, right?
They're,
It's like humid. And
yeah. It's not a good day to be working outside. I mean, the sun's shining great, but...
Well, dragonflies have all come out.
Yeah.
So there's that.
Said I've never dragged anything.
Well, no time like the present to learn. It all starts somewhere, right?
You want me to move the four-wheeler?
That's what I was going to say.
Okay.
Back the four-wheeler up. Or, you can even fit around through there.
Is there space? Alright, we'll try this.
Here, Mama.
Woohoo! There's a big, I don't know if I have room to get through.
You're good over there, though.
Okay, here, take the camera.
Just watch the branch, it's gonna get you. There you go. Get it, girl. All right. Time for Brody to go for a run.
I'll take you away to where the sun shines so bright, so bright. You can stare at the stars at night. You can tell me
Enjoying our life.
everything you like. I'll take you away to where the sun shines so bright, so bright. You can stare at the stars.
Every time we're out, we see that guy right there.
He's a woodpecker, so we call him Woody.
He's always up by our house, on the trees, on the poles.
And every time we come out, he comes, hey buddy. He's always out, and he always lets us know he's out too.
He's so super cool.
And one day, he even pecked on, I guess, like the, what do you call this? The front porch, but the...
Oh yeah, the OSB that they have
Yeah.
patched on there.
He came and pecked, we came out, and then he sat there and like stared at us. Brody found something.
He's off to chase a squirrel or something.
But that's super cool. I mean, I'm an animal lover, so.
That's one of my big pet peeves right now,
What?
is that this OSB on this front here. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous front porch. Picturesque log cabin once we get that down, and I turn that front porch into what it should be. As soon as I get some storage. I got an outbuilding built. We'll have some storage around here.
It is slowly, very slowly, because we're in our 40s, but slowly coming together.
You know what? It's the one thing I've had to relearn, patience.
Yeah.
Because there's so much to get done. And you have to focus on just the one thing that is going to happen at
And
a
then
time.
when you focus on that one thing, all the bugs make you focus on others.
Instead of squirrel, it's bug.
Yeah. Bugs.
But yeah, so much to do. Always so much to do.
But that's like, I find like we're different that way, because I find that that's the fun of it for me. I need order and structure, and I don't have that right now. So that part is kind of driving me a little wonkers. But knowing what this could be, especially yesterday. Yesterday, we went to a yard sale that was way deep in the woods. Like, we were kind of questioning whether we should continue deep.
They had a sign that said, it was like a kilometer in. Up on a tree, it
More
said,
than that.
far in, INN. It was so cool, because it was far in.
There, right? There we met, though, an awesome couple.
Yes.
And we ended up staying, because we were the only ones there. So we ended up staying for about an hour, just talking with them. And they have lake access, so they were showing us the lake. And they kind of did, the wife stayed, I guess her parents had a part of the property. And then when she got married, they bought the property beside the parents. And so it was all forested and there was nothing on it. No hydro, no nothing. And to see what time and years have done and what they've built, it gave me tons of inspiration to know that it's not going to happen overnight. Because in reality, sometimes you do get a little bummed out that there's so much to do, but I still find it, for me, as there's so much to do. What can we do today?
You know, I find I need to see the progress.
Yeah.
And like when we first moved in, all this was overgrown like it is back there. It's all overgrown. And we've been able to clear off all this here and put in this nice 20 by whatever it is. These flies, man, these flies are just, they're for real, man.
If you had the sticky trap, I'll go get mine.
And right here, put all that in. It helps.
Yes.
And at night the stars are so gorgeous.
I said to him last night, I forget what the stars in the city look like.
And now 2 days a week I'm back in the city working at the shop, and I can see, like, you can't see the stars and everything's just so congested. God sent us this parcel for the price that was just perfect in our range. Otherwise it wouldn't have happened.
No, everything.
There's no way it would happen.
Everything, from the people to the neighbors. The neighbors have been nothing but a godsend.
Oh, wonderful. Just the best neighbors you could ever ask for.
Yeah.
And I mean,
everything is.
Trust me, I thought I knew, like, yeah, I could build stuff. I know what I'm doing. I get up here and I'm like, yeah, I do kind of understand what I'm doing, but there's so much more to learn. Yeah. Always more to learn. And wow, we're gonna get back to it. I've got to move that pile over and get to work on this because daylight's burning, man.
All right. And I'm his boss now, so get back to work. The break's over.